Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning on how to spell and write the number 5. So we're going to learn how to spell and write the word 5, and we're also going to learn how to make the number 5. So the word 5 has 4 letters, and those letters are F, I, V, E. And F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Now, on the count of 3, I want you guys to spell the word 5 with me. 1, 2, 3. F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Awesome job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word 5. So the first letter in the word 5 is F. The second letter in the word 5 is I. The third letter in the word 5 is V. And the last and final letter in the word 5 is E. And F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Awesome job. And TTC family, I forgot to mention in the beginning that we're going to write the word 5 4 times. We're going to write it the first 2 times using capital F, and then another 2 times using lowercase f. So let's go ahead and write the word 5 one more time using capital F. So we know the first letter in the word 5 is F. And remember, we're using capital F. After F, we have I. After I, we have V. And after V, we have E. And F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Nice job. So now let's move on and write the word 5 2 more times, but this time we're going to be using lowercase f. So the first letter in the word 5 is still F, but we're using lowercase f. After F, we have I. After I, we have V. And after V, we have E. And F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write the word 5 one more time together, TTC family, but we're going to be using the lowercase letter f. So our first letter is F. After F, we have I. After I, we have V. And after V, we have the letter E. And F-I-V-E spells what word, TTC family? Correct. F-I-V-E spells the word 5. Nice job. So now we're going to move on and now make the number 5. So how to make the number 5, we're going to start off with making a straight line going across. Then we're going to make a straight line going down. Now we're going to make a curved line going around. And here we have the number 5. Let's go ahead and write the number 5 one more time together, TTC family. So let's start off with making a straight line going across. Then we have to make our straight line going down. And now we have to make a curved line going around. And here we have the number 5. Nice job. TTC family, you guys did a phenomenal job learning how to write the number 5 using capital F. Then also learning how to write the number 5 using lowercase f. And not only that, we then learn how to make the number 5. So we did a lot in this video, and I want you to pat yourself on the back because you guys also did a lot, and you guys did a phenomenal job. So go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Nice job, TTC family. All right, TTC family, it's time to tell Miss T. So in the comments below, with an adult, I want you guys to list 5 of your favorite shows you guys like to watch on television. Even if you don't have 5, if you have less than 5, that's perfectly fine. But let's see if you can name 5 of your favorite shows you love to watch. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.